Congratulations, you have a job, a car you can't afford, and a subscription to everything. You're the middle class, the economy's favorite victim. You're not rich, but you're very good at acting like it, and the bank loves your performance. Why do you buy a new iPhone every year? Is it the features? No, it's the fear. The fear that if your phone has 3 lenses instead of 4, the waiter might think you're poor. You're trading hours of your life for a piece of glass that tells people you're doing okay. Spoiler, if you have to prove it, you're not. The system is designed to keep you in the comfortable zone. Just enough money to not quit, but not enough to ever be free. You are the fuel for someone else's yacht. Every treat yourself moment is a brick in their mansion, not yours. Stop buying status. Start buying freedom, but you won't. Because looking poor for a year is scarier to you than being poor for a lifetime. If you're tired of being a professional consumer, enter the vault, or don't. The bank needs your interest payments. Subscribe.